G'day, we're back again. So planning another trip next weekend to the sunny coast hinterland-ish, round by Linville, Kilcavin, somewhere else up near Jimna on next Saturday night. And apparently because of all the flooding and the rains that we've had recently, there might be a bit of creek crossings and some deeper stuff to get through. So when I got my new car, I gave my winch to my daughter and we put it in her car, but I currently don't have a winch, so I thought I better swap it over. I think I should have a winch with me for next weekend. So that being said, we've just taken the winch out of my daughter's car. So this is my old carbon winch, so we're gonna whack it in to here. So that is today's job. So this is the ARB Summit Sahara bar, and I don't think I can just drop the winch in. Unfortunately, I think I have to take the bar off to get the winch in. So let's get into it. I've just discovered something. This new Sahara Summit bar, it looks like when you take this back plate at the bottom plate off, it looks like you can just slip the winch straight up in there. So that is happy days. That's I didn't expect that to happen, so that saved me a lot of time and taking all this bull bar and all these things off. So yeah, all the fog lights and the spotties, all the connections and the two-way, it's just going to save an awful lot of time. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can just slip the winch up in. Job's done. So that's the winch mounted, and we're pretty right with that. Had to take the number plate off. We've got all the bolts in, so now we've just got to hook all the electrics up and we'll feed that through. So I might leave you up here while I get stuck into that. Alright, so we're underneath the car. So what I've done, I've brung these leads down here from the control box, and they just go into the back of the winch. So red to red, yellow to yellow, black to black, and then this is a breather which we've put up just underneath the bonnet release catch. So what I'm going to do now is just try and get these get the two negative and positive wires across the engine, the front of the radiator, across to the battery in the hopefully neatest way possible. It's not going to attract much stones or damage from the travel. So I think I'll cable tie these up here, and then I'll route them up through there, up into the engine, up into the battery. So we got those wires coming up, got them coming up through there, and I've put the negative onto the main negative there. So I just need to put a circuit or an isolator switch on this so I can turn it off and on, and then fit all the paneling back on, and that is about the winch done. So I'll fit it all back together and we'll see how it looks. So before we put it back together, we better test it, make sure it's all working. Done. So winch is in. I got to take it out and unspool it and re-spool it properly so it's not all twisted up, but I'll get into that later. She's back together, everything's done, and underneath's looking the way it should. So yeah, winch is done, ready for next weekend. That's going to be a good trip. So I've got to show you yet. I want to go through. I have last week I put the water pump in and I did the pantry, so I'll do another video on those two bits and pieces, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and give it a thumbs up and press the bell and all that nonsense. Thank you.